My country people, not be small matter. You don't still bust again. David Yahweh, don't come out to prophet E David Yahweh. You don't come out. You don't come. Mathias Ezeaku come out. He said, me Mathias, as Mathias post one of his piece, Mathias can't talk say he from Imo State, made the see wetin religion turn prophet David into. Now so David can't come out, can't call Mathias come out. He can't tell Mathias say no be human being bio. He can't talk many things. I go put the video more for listen to the video, and he can still call Jeremiah omoto Fufeyin may he provide cctv camera. As far as say Ruth talk say na woman when they go buy indomie, or na know the story, may he can still provide camera. They not talk say na he carry the baby to avoid everything, say as they drag am, they talk say became miss inside in church, say the thing say it as he be, say all of them, even the shame as prophet as when they be so, say the thing, say they was disappointed, may they clear everything, may they bring out cctv camera. My people, not be small thing. Now David can't talk. May I listen to.
How come a fool Mathias is telling you nonsense? That's not like Jesus Christ. Don't you know those are antichrist? And you're believing. You get light. You're making. What are you talking about? Mathias, don't worry. I will talk about Mathias tomorrow. Please, has anybody heard about the testimony? Please indicate. Have the son come out, please? Because I now have time to do. I just came. Please, as a father, have anybody provided a child? Please, that child, that little child is more. I'm more concerned than even her mother. See, let me tell you. I'll deal with witchcraft. I'll deal with occultic people. Whatever that happened to Ruth, I'm not gonna forget that. And do you know what they call witchcraft? Witchcraft can manipulate you. Occult can manipulate you. You be confused. I'm telling you. They can even push you into madness. They can give you. Can't you see what happened to even Maureen and Busala? Can't you see that there's confusion? This is the manipulation of darkness. That's why I don't have time for those. You see, since that day, I never talk about it. Only what I'm talking now is the testimony. Please, everybody should be praying for that, but let him be alive. Mathias is antichrist. Don't worry, tomorrow I'm going to talk about Mathias. He wants to post my picture. He doesn't know anything. That picture he posted on the spirit. This is me. In the realm of the spirit. I'm a warlord. I'm wearing South Africa. Mathias is so to wear. Nigeria make him. You're refused. Don't worry, tomorrow I'm going to come Mathias Jaja. Because he have been messing up. So I want to tell you that it's too small. Others say, people are throwing him, but people don't have sense. Doctor that's telling you that the same way that bring Christianity bring the hospital. What are you talking about? Oh, let me not talk about Mathias. Let me not confuse you. Mathias matter tomorrow. Let me face this one. Please, if anybody have seen the baby, the Ruth baby, because baby, Ruth, I see that it's manipulated. See, don't bring her. You can say, you know what is manipulation? Have you been under depression before? Manipulation. If you are being manipulated by witches and wizards, you will not understand what Ruth is passing through. I'm not saying it's Jeremiah that take the son, like I said every time. I'm not saying it's Ruth is light. I Ruth lied because somebody told her if she said that the person is a pastor too. It's just common sense. It's common sense. If the person said that he's one that said, the church will say they will not know anything about it, which is common sense. So they just use that. It's just like, so everyone will be involved and look for the baby. That's what the pastor said from CAC. I think the man was just trying to make sure they look for the baby. Because if you say that he's one that sent it, they will not move a hand for that, which is normal thing anybody can do. So I don't think that is a big deal. The big deal there is, where is the baby? What happened to the baby? Where if you send it outside, who are those women that they send it outside? They should provide the video, so provide the cctv. Let us watch those women. When you go watch those women, you go and check their names. Those people, they came for program. All the people that came for program, for Jeremiah program, they used to register them. That's why I tell you, I can tell you how much I spent Jeremiah. Because once you go to Jeremiah, he will pay for her. He will register for her. He pay for prayer line. He pay for partner. He pay for room. All those things. And that place they are giving you receipt. They have cameras. So it will end all those things. So Jeremiah hand can be removed. So we know that these two women are the kidnappers. So let us start looking for them now. By the time they provide the video, we know that those people that came for a program, they must have family. By the time we put it on the internet and boost it everywhere, the family will come out. People that know they will come out. All those cases will end. They will go and provide that son. Yes. So if you don't know, you see, everybody cannot know it. That's an equal money. If you don't know, other people will tell you. So all those comments people are making sometimes, if the man download them and listen to all, he will have some knowledge. How I can tackle this case. Because this is a different knowledge. Okay, now we agree. Ruth send the baby with some people to go and buy Indomie. Who are those people that sent to go and buy Indomie? We still need the video, the CCTV. Provide it. Let them provide it. So we know those women. We know those women because those women are there. Okay, let us say the one that take the baby now to go. They are giving Jeremiah bad name. They are giving churches bad name. They are giving us bad name. Because when he said you go to church, baby lost. It's not only Jeremiah. It's everybody. That's why I told you. That's it. All those nonsense 2 minutes since I say no, for now, no church. So please share the telecast. Make sure you get to Mesla, make sure you get to Prophet Jeremiah, make sure you get to Ruth, make sure you get to whosoever they say is going to provide the baby. Today is fourth day, they said. Tomorrow, this month is going to an end. So if the baby can come out tomorrow, at least all of us will use it to celebrate. Once the baby come out, I will not brog anything. Maybe Ruth, to carry your baby, go, case closed. In your turn again, nothing concerns Jeremiah. So what we need is, please, whosoever that is holding the baby should bring the baby out. God bless you. I have no business with Ruth. I never called her and I can't call her. I have no business with Jeremiah. I never called her and I can't call her. My business is this little baby. That's it. In Nigeria, you only learn judging. You don't know what one that is judging. I know one that is truth. Somebody who is speaking truth, he say, call it judge. You know what he judge? Somebody who is no good, they talk and say no good. They talk as maybe judge. I'm on mind your business. Come on. If you're not occultic, what are you doing with occultic man? If you're not wizard, what are you doing with wizard? If you're not a Fekedibia, what are you doing with a Fekedibia? You burn the Bible, Holy Bible. It's an antichrist. He said, Oyibo bring Bible church and religion. The clothes where we are now, you make them, no, you own. Food where they use now, you make them. If Mathias want to draw us now, let Mathias stop using anything that made by Oyibo. Nigeria don't make anyone. Even the hospital, you should go to traditional way. Don't worry, tomorrow is Mathias Day. I will tell you, he doesn't have sense. I love what he's doing, no? Yes, helping is everybody is good. If anybody know where this testimony is, they should bring this testimony. So all those mahala should end, please. So my prayer, I'm not interested in the case, I'm not interested in anything. I know I call Ruth, I can't call Ruth. I never call Jeremiah, I can't call him. So somebody will say, tomorrow I say, you're looking for money. Thunder will fire you, are looking for money. All of them, both Jeremiah, I made money before him. So forget all those ones. Looking for which money? They are looking like someone that looking for money. So everybody should find mates. Forget church. Forget say they do church. All those pastors, no one is my mate. What are all of them? There's one boy where I am. All of them, all. So